Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to request a refund on Walmart. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have your items, the account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and request a refund on Walmart. So to request a refund on Walmart, follow these steps. Log into your Walmart account as I told you, and click in the top right corner on the account as you can see here. Then find the unwanted item and click start a return. When you have clicked start a return on a item that you don't want, choose your reason for not keeping the item. When you choose the reason, you may be given the option of requesting a refund or a replacement depending on the item. After that, you just need to go and once you've chosen it, click the continue button. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.